TikTok versus YouTube Shorts. Let's talk about how you can easily market your business with short form video and actually start attracting loads of people straight to your business. Well, my name is Karin Angelly from KarinAngelly.com. I teach and train network marketers how to build their business in the online space. And today I want to talk all about TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, all things short form video to help you figure out what you need to do in order to easily market your business with these different platforms. So listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your network marketing business. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I'd love to see you grow and help you in any way possible. So let's dive in because I got quite a bit to cover. I want to share with you how you can actually start creating videos so that you can actually start attracting people straight to you and actually start building a business that you love. Now let's talk about the perfect video outline because literally this is incredibly crucial whether you're doing short form or long form video. You've got to have a good outline for your video that's going to keep people watching longer, wanting to connect with you more, and wanting to buy your products. So when you're looking at the outline of your video, the first thing that comes out of your mouth is your hook, okay? This is literally what is getting people to watch more from you. They either hear your hook and they're bored immediately, or they start to get curious and they want to watch the whole thing to figure out what you have to say. Some examples of some really good hooks are things like, I wish I knew this sooner. 5 things you might be doing wrong in your business. I bet you didn't know this. Or how to blank without blank. So you basically tell somebody how to create a solution. Maybe they want to grow an audience, how to grow an audience online without, and the pain point of spending hours on social media or spending hours messaging people on social media, okay? We're literally getting to pain points that our audience might have. And if we're creating some sense of curiosity around this, we're going to get people to watch our entire video and then most likely want to learn more from us or buy some of our products that might help with a solution to their issue. So we start with the hook, then we get to the buildup, okay? This is where we start to really drive in that pain point of what somebody might be struggling with, okay? So the pain point of what I mentioned before was messaging people all day on social media, okay? So we can ask the question of, have you ever felt like you are constantly messaging people all day long? Let me share with you what I discovered to help me keep from doing this all day, okay? Figure out how you can say that in a concise, amazing hook that really grabs people and gets people to actually want to connect with you a little bit more. Once we've created a hook, we've built up around that hook, now it's time to actually give some value to our audience. Give them some actionable steps that they can do right now. What I've discovered is that if I can give actionable steps that people can take action on right now and start seeing quick results, they're more likely to be interested in watching my content. So figure out how you can get an actionable thing behind your content. So say you have a skincare product that can really help clear up acne, okay? Really figure out how you can create a hook, build up around that hook, and then give them some value around skincare tips, okay? So for example, are you 25 years old and you feel like your skin is like a 14-year-old's? Here's what you can do about it. Then give them some value around skincare and some things that they can do, like wash your face every day. Now, these are really simple, but think about how you can really focus in on your niche, on your product, on your service, and how you can actually make it so that somebody is intrigued and wants to know more within that 15-second slot, okay? Really gonna help you create an audience of people that want to know more from you if you can give them some quick, actionable, valuable tips that they can do right now. Maybe there's something in their diet that they can cut that's going to help with their skincare needs, okay? And then at the end of the video, the most important thing that you want to do is actually create a call to action, okay? Now is the time where you can actually ask them to follow you for more information. You can have them comment, ask questions. You can share that you have a link in your bio that you can actually sell products to them with. Literally, this is where you tell people what you want at this point, okay? So really focus on getting all of that information. That's quite a bit of information. Really focus on how you can really slim it down into a 15-second clip. Now, if you're curious how to do this, you can actually go ahead in the description and you can see, I actually have a link to my TikTok where you can actually check out my TikTok and you can actually see how I'm doing this in 15-second short videos. So listen, friend, I bet that this was a lot of information for you, and I'm really excited about what YouTube Shorts and TikTok can actually do to help you grow your business. But I actually have a really special free training that I want to share with you as well. If you take a look in the description below, you can actually find a link to a training, a webinar training that I did that teaches you how to actually start using video to attract leads and sales straight to your business completely on autopilot, where you get customers, where you get business builders, and where you get leads that are asking about your products, your service, your business, and want to connect with you further. So go ahead, take a look at that link in the description because I want to see you grow. I want to help you grow your business in the online space because I know that you have some pretty amazing things that you want to accomplish in your life. Now go build your unicorn empire.